Duck, Duck, Dinosaur Perfect Pumpkin. Written by Kallie George. Illustrated by Oriol Vidal. This is Feather. This is Flap. And this is their brother, Spike. It is fall. Time for picking pumpkins. I will find a perfect pumpkin, says Feather. Me too, says Flap. Perfect, says Spike. Start looking, says Mama. They look. Up and down. All around. I found a pumpkin, says Feather. It is perfect for jumping, says Spike. Squish. No, Spike. Not perfect for jumping, says Feather. Not jumping, says Flap. It's okay, says Mama. Keep looking. They look. In and out. All about. I found a pumpkin. I found a pumpkin, says Flap. It is perfect for bowling, says Spike. Squish. No, Spike. Not perfect for bowling, says Feather. Not bowling, says Flap. It's okay, says Mama. Keep looking. They look. Left to right. Out of sight. We found pumpkins, say Feather and Flap. They are perfect for juggling, says Spike. Squish. No, Spike, says Feather. Pumpkins aren't perfect for juggling, or bowling, or jumping. They are perfect for decorating, says Feather. See, says Feather. See, says Flap. Spike does see. He sees squished pumpkins. Cheer up, Spike, says Mama. Squished pumpkins are perfect too. Perfect for pumpkin pie? Yum!